To transfer money from PNC to Zelle, start by ensuring you have a PNC account and the Zelle app. If you do not have the Zelle app, you can download it from the App Store on your mobile device. First, open the PNC mobile banking app and log in to your account using your username and password. Once you are logged in, select the option to send money and choose Zelle as the transfer method. You will be prompted to enroll in Zelle if you have not already done so. To enroll, you will need to provide your email address or mobile phone number and create a password. After enrolling in Zelle, you can add your recipient by entering their email address or mobile phone number. You can also select from your existing contacts if you have synced them with the Zelle app. Enter the amount you want to transfer and add a memo if desired. Review the transaction details to ensure everything is correct. Then confirm the transfer. The recipient will receive a notification that they have received the money, and they can access it immediately if their bank supports instant transfers. It is essential to note that Zelle transfers are typically free, but your bank may charge a small fee for the service. Additionally, Zelle has a transfer limit, which varies depending on your bank and account type. To avoid any issues with your transfer, ensure that you have sufficient funds in your PNC account and that the recipient's information is correct. By following these steps, you can easily transfer money from PNC to Zelle, making it a convenient way to send money to friends, family, or anyone else with a Zelle account.